All right, so we're gonna do an unboxing of knife set. So we've got that, an instruction manual. Scissors, the knives. Let's just take a look at one. Metal looks good. Plastic feels a little cheap, but decent. Sharp. Some of the bigger knives here. Let's check this one out. Not bad. Very sharp, actually. Not bad. So if we set that down here, I'll pull out block. Packaged really well. This feels like wood. There's a sharpener here and everything else goes in. Otherwise, looks like a great quality. Comes with an instruction manual. Everything looks good.
Hi there, I'm reviewing for you this Amorston knife set. It comes with a sturdy stand to put all your knives in, and it has a built-in sharpener right over here, which I love that feature. The stand is weighted, it stays in place very well. I really like this stand. It's a nice one, especially with that built-in sharpener. The steak knives are serrated blade. All the blades are 3 layers. They're German stainless steel on the inside, and then they have 2 coatings on the outside. One's non-stick and one is antibacterial. All the handles have air holes. That's what they call air holes. So they're ergonomic in shape, and they have these little air holes for breathability and for comfort if you're chopping a lot of food, you know, at one time. So I just cored this apple, and I wanted to show you just how sharp the knives come. And so I can make thin slices, I can make thicker slices, whatever I want to do. It's very sharp, very, very easy to use. And so I like that. Your knives are dishwasher safe. They come at an extremely good price. I'm super happy with this set that I received. I love them, and I hope this review helps you.